Something that has always been a significant cause of auto accidents is driver distraction. My guest today is South Carolina attorney George Sink, and he's going to talk with us about this topic. So George, welcome and thanks for coming today.
Well, thank you for having me, Cindy.
Well, I want to pick your brain today, and the first thing I want to ask you is what are the different ways that drivers get distracted?
Well, Cindy, I think there's about three. Visual, that's taking your eyes off the road. Manual, taking your hands off the wheel. And cognitive, taking your mind off what you're doing. There's a lot of trouble with various things from CDs to tobacco, eating, and then we know about the cell phones, don't we? I was just looking at our legislative agenda for South Carolina in 2010, and it looks like there's 7 bills being introduced in our state legislature to curb texting with fines from as low as $25 up to DUI type of punishments, some pretty severe punishments to prevent distracted driving.
Wow. Now, is that specific to South Carolina?
Yes, but I think across the nation, everyone's recognizing these problems. Using a cell phone while driving delays the driver's reaction as much as a blood alcohol level of 0.08%, which is our DUI level in South Carolina.
Is this something that now is on your radar, that if someone is in an accident and you're representing someone that maybe was rear-ended or whatever, do you routinely check phone records?
Oh, absolutely. Everyone can relate to being damaged, hurt, or upset by a distracted driver. And I think that ranks very high on a juror's attention scale. So we pay a lot of attention to that. 80%, for example, of all crashes involve some kind of distraction. So it has a tremendous effect on younger drivers, which we know are higher risk drivers. Then middle-aged drivers are the second highest risk area. So our young people are out on those highways texting, talking, and it really is increasing dramatically the rates of collisions due to this distracting driving issue. It's something we're all aware of now, and we all need to take some steps to handle.
Right. Right. And in speaking about that, let's talk a little bit about safeguards. How can we protect ourselves from the worst drivers, the distracted drivers? And secondly, what steps should we have in our minds so that we're not a distracted driver?
I think you have to double your alertness and just keep your eyes open for this new type of danger that could result in damage to you, your loved ones, your family, without any fault of your own. So high alert level is probably your only defense.
Well, George, I thank you so much for your time today.
Well, thank you, Cindy.
Until next time, this is Cindy Speaker for State Law TV.